Question 11. Shireen draws a circle in her courtyard. Okay. She then measures the circle's circumference and its diameter with a measuring tape. Records them as two integers. So this is like that project in which we used to approximate the value of pi. So she records the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r, right? And she also measures the diameter. The diameter is 2r, and she tries to find the ratio. So the ratio would be pi, right? So this is how the ancient people approximated the value of pi. So they calculate the circumference, they measure the diameter, and then that's how pi came into being. They observed that all of the circles have the same ratio between the circumference and the diameter. So Shireen tries to recreate that example at her home. Little do-it-yourself project. So she finds that A and B, the measures are co-primes. Otherwise, you wouldn't get a recurring decimal like this. So what is A minus B? All right. So this might look like a sum from the chapter of area, but this is not. I'll show you. So what is the number that is given? It's 3.1416. Right. So this experiment is a success actually, because we know pi is approximately 3.14159, and it goes on. Pi is a transcendental number, right? It's not an irrational number. So transcendental numbers are a type of irrational numbers that are not the solution of any algebraic equation. So root 2 is irrational, right? Because it comes from the solution of x square minus 2 equal to 0. But pi is transcendental. It is not a solution to any algebraic equation. It's just a constant of nature. Okay. So pi is a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. So since the value of pi, if you check in a calculator, it will be 3.14159 something. So her approximation is very accurate, up to 4 digits. So now transfer this to fractions. You have studied this in the chapter of numbers, the first chapter basically. So 3.1416 recurring would be 31416 minus 3 by 4 nines, since there are 4 recurring points. Okay, so this turns out to be 31413 by 999. Now the denominator is divisible by 3 and 9, right? Whatever the numerator, 3 plus 3, 6, and 6, 12. Yes, it's divisible by 3. So cancelling by 3, we have 31413 by 4 nines is equal to 10741 by 333. Now these two numbers don't divide each other. This is not divisible by 3. Okay, and you can, in the exam, if you're not sure, you can just check HCF via long division method. It shouldn't take more steps. So these are co-prime, as she calculated. A and B are co-prime. Since these are co-prime, this should be A and this should be B. Right? So A minus B would be 10741 minus 333. Sorry, 4 threes. That will be 7138. That is your answer. So again, another sum from the chapter of mensuration was given, but actually it was a disguised sum. It was a sum from the first chapter, fractions, numbers, ratios. All right, so this is done.